If you're looking for a CRM, get monday.com's flexible CRM solution that can manage the entire customer lifecycle, client projects and services, marketing campaigns, anything. It's easy to use and takes minutes to set up. Your team is going to love it. Capture leads from a variety of sources and easily automate the follow-up process. Get a 360-degree view of your customers with full communication history. Once you've closed the deal, monday.com makes it easy to manage your clients' projects, services, email marketing, and support tickets all on the same platform. Integrate the tools you use every day to keep everyone on the same page. Analyze every aspect of your sales pipeline at a glance with visual, real-time overviews. Plus, your team can manage the rest of their work on the same platform, so everything stays connected and in one place. So get more than a CRM and go to monday.com to try it for free.